Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 15 Plus and let me show you how to add poster to contact. So at first open your phone dialer and select the contact that you wish to add this poster to, then select edit and click on edit again. Now choose customize, select poster, and now you can either grab a photo right now, you can select something from your own photos, you can create memoji or add some monogram. Let me choose one from my photos, for example this one. Now you can customize it. And then tap on name, you can change the font, then also the color if you want. And once it's done, click on done. And this is how your screen is going to look like once Android is calling you. Tap on continue to save it. The photo is already set, so tap on continue again, and that's it. So here you got the poster, the profile picture is already assigned. Tap on done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.